Why don't Cinderace and Sableye play soccer together? Because every time Cinderace goes for a shot, Sableye yells, "I thought we were playing gemstone hunt," and runs off with the ball. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between Cinderace and Sableye, two vastly unique characters in the Pokémon universe, each with their own individual sets of strengths, qualities, and abilities. Difference 1. Cinderace and Sableye belong to different Pokémon generations. Cinderace was introduced in Generation 8 and is primarily used in the Galar region in the Sword and Shield games. Conversely, Sableye was part of the earlier Generation 3 and was primarily featured in the Ruby, Sapphire and Emerald games. Difference 2, belonging to varied categories, Cinderace is classified as the Striker Pokémon, while Sableye is known as the Darkness Pokémon. These categories generally dictate their primary abilities. Difference 3 lies in their types. Cinderace is a Fire-type Pokémon, which means its attacks are very effective against Grass, Bug, Steel, Ice and Fairy types. On the other hand, Sableye is a Dark Ghost-type Pokémon, with its attacks being very effective against Ghost and Psychic-type Pokémon. Difference 4, Cinderace and Sableye have different primary abilities. Cinderace has the Blaze ability, which powers up the Pokémon's Fire-type moves when its HP is low. Sableye, however, has the Stall ability, which makes it move after all other Pokémon have moved. Difference 5 lies in their base stats. Cinderace boasts higher stats in areas like attack, speed and HP, making it a more offensive Pokémon. Sableye, while having lower stats overall, excels in defense and special defense categories, indicating a more defensive playstyle. Difference 6, Cinderace can evolve from Scorbunny, then to Reboot before reaching its final form. Sableye does not have any pre-evolutions or evolutions, it is a standalone Pokémon. Difference 7, Cinderace and Sableye have different gender ratios. Cinderace has a balanced gender ratio of 50% male and 50% female, whereas Sableye has a slightly skewed ratio of 50% male to 48.6% female. Difference 8, they do not share the same weakness or resistances. Cinderace is weak against water, rock and ground types, while Sableye only has one vulnerability, which is the Fairy type. Difference 9, their height differs. Cinderace stands relatively taller at 1.4 meters, whereas Sableye stands shorter at just 0.5 meters. Difference 10, they are different in weight too. Cinderace weighs around 33 kilograms, which is significantly more than Sableye's weight of about 11 kilograms. Difference 11, their abilities to Mega Evolve. Sableye is among the Pokémon that can Mega Evolve, which enhances its powers significantly, while Cinderace does not have the ability to Mega Evolve. It does, however, have a unique Gigantamax form.